Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Because it is a holiday weekend and maybe you're barbecuing on this Labor Day weekend. Look who's here to spice things up on the grill. Debbie Kornberg, she's the owner of Spice and Leaf. I always love it when you come here. You make the best food.
Thank
you.
You
really do.
Thank you.
All in the spices and the seasonings, and you're going to show us today, because a lot of people barbecue this weekend.
Yeah.
Make something sweet and savory.
Yes. So it's Labor Day weekend, and it's Rosh Hashanah this weekend.
Yes.
So, Labor Day, we kind of bring together the end of summer.
Okay, yes, we do.
And, it's an opportunity to say thank you to the people that lift us up, the staff that lift us up in labor.
Before you get to that, just tell everybody what Rosh Hashanah is if they don't know.
So Rosh Hashanah is the Jewish New Year.
Okay.
We celebrate, we're going into 5782.
Wow.
It's birthday of when the world was created.
Okay.
All right. So as with Rosh Hashanah or Labor Day, we celebrate through food. We use food, whether it's barbecuing and having burgers and gathering together. Food marks time.
Yes.
And same is true for Rosh Hashanah. And so we have some very specific foods that we symbolize to mark the new year and to bring in a sweet new year.
I love this.
Apples and honey.
Apples and honey.
Apples and honey.
It's like sweetness.
Right. Sweet New Year.
Okay.
And we also often have dates. You can have the fresh dates, the dried dates, pomegranate. We look for things that bring in prosperity.
Yes.
The seeds, traditional symbol in Persian food as well.
Yes.
Prosperity, good long year, health, happiness, all that good.
How do you say Happy New Year at this time? Okay, how do you say it?
Rosh Hashanah. Shana Tova.
Shana Tova.
That's it.
That means Happy New Year.
Shana Tova.
Shana Tova to everybody. Okay, so what can you bring these?
I was just saying, Shana Tova umetuka.
Okay, you just got complicated.
Happy sweet New Year.
Okay, say it again.
Shana Tova umetuka.
Umetuka.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's get to the barbecue.
Right on. So we are going to be making roasted carrots with date honey.
Ooh.
Ceylon. Do you use this in your cooking?
No.
So honey, the date honey comes from the dates.
Okay.
And they drip out. When these start to ripen, right? It gets all that drippiness.
Okay.
So this is what happens to it is it turns into a date honey. This is straight 100% dates, even though it says syrup. There's no sugar added.
Okay.
And it's the original honey for people who are vegan.
Oh.
And may not eat bee honey.
Bee honey, they can have this.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So date syrup, Ceylon is often used, and the story goes that when the Israelites went out to check the land of Israel, the land of Canaan, the spies came back and said it was filled with milk and honey. They were referring to the palm trees that filled the land and all the goats for the milk.
This. Okay.
So we have some beautiful carrots here. I got these at Trader Joe's.
I love
just
those.
like this.
Yes, I know.
Nothing. Dump them out of the bag, put them in.
Okay.
Do you want to add some olive oil?
Sure.
So we're using Galili olive oil.
Is that enough?
You go to town. There you go.
Okay. Lots of olive oil.
And this has some nice pungent taste. And this is an Israeli olive oil. We like to bring in some of the elements for the new year, of course.
Okay.
And I'm going to hand you a spoon.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you Baharat spice blend, which is literally Arabic for spices. Cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, ginger,
my
a little
mouth
black
just
pepper.
Locked. I could feel my jaw. Just when you smell something so good and then there's like a
Okay, so I'm going to pass this over. Of course, Aleppo, a little bit of heat, a little sweetness in the Aleppo pepper.
Is this good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you. You'll just pile it on.
There we go. Okay.
Okay, and so once this is done, we go ahead and we throw it on the grill.
You just put it on the grill.
And that's it. And I cut up some lemon and I put it on the grill too. And once they're done, I'm going to move this here.
Okay.
I'm going to take that off. We'll grab this and I'm going to go ahead and just put these right on top. We're going to do some layering here. These are already cooked. It's a little, Julia Child moment.
Oh, I love carrots. Carrots are so super anti-inflammatory too.
Yes,
they're
so good. They're great. Raw, roasted, cooked.
I tried to replace every bowl of what would be a chip with carrots.
Oh my gosh,
I really
what a great idea.
You just dip everything in it, okay? And then you garnished it, I saw, with some of this.
Ceylon.
May I?
Yes.
Okay, just right on top.
Squeeze away.
Okay, here we go.
Oh. And then you can add some of the pomegranate seeds because we want prosperity in addition to our sweet new year.
Okay.
And a little bit of capers just for a hint of salt because at the end of the day we still want a complete flavor that goes into our mouth, right?
Debbie, you rock! Thank you for being here.
Thank you
We'll
so
get
much.
the recipe if you missed any of this on foxhighsandiego.com. You click the little scene on tab and it'll get you hooked up for that. Okay, say it one more time. Are we sending it back to Raul? Okay, one more time. Here we go.
Shana
Shana
Tova
Tova
Umetuka.
Umetuka.
Sweet, happy, healthy New Year, everybody, and happy Labor Day weekend.
Yes, Raul, back over to you. I want one of these carrots.
Oh yeah.
All right, ladies, thank you.